Moto Z Play getting Android 8.0 Oreo in the US. It's true that some may have already received the highly expected, looked-ahead to Android 8.0 Oreo update for the Moto Z Play. But not if they're living in the United States. The worldwide rollout of the update began last month, but it reached the US only not very long ago. If you own a Moto Z Play and you're located in the US, chances are that you'll be getting the update pretty soon. According to a picture made by a computer of its screen, given by a Moto Z Play owner, the Android 8.0 Oreo update includes the April security patch, as well as firm and steady nature, lasting nature, strength improvements. Also, if you own a Moto Z Play and don't find the update yet, give it a few days since Motorola may have just kicked off the rollout. Oreo may be the last major Android OS update that the Moto Z Play receives. Although Motorola has yet to provide a software update, map of roads, plan for doing something for its mid-range and top-level phones soon after Android P goes live this fall. In other news, Motorola is getting ready for the show of the third Moto Z Play series phone, which is likely to happen on June 6th. In the meantime, the original Moto Z Play remains a pretty decent phone that got two major Android OS updates since its release back in 2016.